Good morning, children. Today I am here with the video of the chapter Program Code. As you have learned in Standard 6, what is program? Program is a set of instruction to perform a particular task. And what is program code? Program code is the command given by the user to do the work or to perform the task. Now, computer. Computer is a multi-purpose machine help us in various computational work. But how? As we know, computer is a machine. It is a machine which is a non-living thing. So, the programmer gives the command, and as per the command or the instruction, computer work. So, the person give the command or to make the program is known as programmer. As we know, program is a software. So what is software? It is the set of instructions that tells the computer what to do and how to do. Categories of computer software. Computer software is divided into two categories, that is application software and system software. Application software again divided into two categories, that is general purpose program, that means MS Office, MS Paint, which all can do, and application specific program like a report card. Whatever thing we want in our report card, 20 marks, 5 marks project, 5 marks for copy, 15 marks project, whatever thing we want. That is the specific programs. System management program. It manages the file, memory, location, input, output, etc. And system development program. These are the command or the program code written by the user, and as per the command or program, the computer learn. Programming language. As we know, language is the way to communicate with each other. So programming language help us to communicate machine as well as human. As we know, each language, whenever we write, we need some rules. So the rules to write programming language is known as syntax. It is known as syntax. Syntax is set of rules. Now, let us know what are the different type of programming language and how we can use it. Programming language generally divided into low level language and high level language. And low level language is divided into machine as well as assembly level language. So machine language is the only language that computer understand. That is binary number, that is 0 and 1. That is why it is known as low level language. Assembly language is just one level higher than machine language. Assembly language consists of simple mnemonic codes or symbol in place of 0 and 1. High level programming language which is understand by us, that is English words, mathematical symbols rather than mnemonic codes. These are the user friendly and machine independent language. As per the 5 generation of computer, language is also divided into 5 generation. That is first generation machine level language, second generation assembly level language, third generation COBOL, BASIC, C, fourth generation report generator, query language, and fifth generation language will use artificial intelligence. Programming language is divided into three categories: low level, middle level, and high level. So, low level language is machine and assembly, middle level is C, and high level language is COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, C has, C++, Java, etc. In standard 8, you will learn BlueJ, that is Java. As we know, computer is a machine which understand only machine level language. And we understand high level language. So, how we can communicate with each other machine and user? Like if I give example, one person who knows only Tamil, another person who knows only Punjabi, and they are traveling together. So how they will communicate with each other? So we can take one more person who knows both the language. He can translate one language to other. In this way they can communicate. So the middle person is known as translator. Like that in computer also we have language translator who convert source code to object code. Source code means whatever thing we write, and object code is the machine code. And again object code to source code. Generally we have two type of translator, interpreter and compiler. Interpreter is a language translator that convert high level language code into object code, and it convert the code line by line. So this line by line is a keyword for that. An interpreter convert high level language code to object code at one time. So if question come, what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Compiler convert everything line by line, and interpreter convert all the code at a same time. So if it convert all the code at the same time, it take less time, and compiler take more time. You can see in this picture. As I've learned, there are some rules related to the syntax. Syntax is known as rules. So if we break rule, we get some error in computer. So these are the syntax error. If we write any wrong format, semicolon missing, curly braces missing, or we have runtime error. Compiler will give us runtime error. When we run any program, suppose anything is divided by 0, then what will come? Nothing, infinite value. So that is the runtime error. One more error while writing a program, that is known as logical error. What is the logical error? Generally, what value we want. If we don't get that answer, that means you have applied the wrong logic. Like in maths, if we follow some step but we are not getting the answer, so we go to the another step, that is known as logical error. So in this video I have learned about programming language, then what is syntax, and if we don't write the syntax or we don't write the proper format, then we will get some error. And who is responsible for all this thing? The programmer. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.